Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the rod. Smelt copper and craft 3 ingots into a lightning rod. Once done, immediately place it at the highest common point of your build. Roofs, chimneys, or towers work best. Make sure to clear flammable blocks directly adjacent so the rod can catch lightning without setting things alight. You do this to divert strikes away from vulnerable wood or farms and to channel the strike to a controlled spot for further use. Next, expand coverage by adding more rods on separate high points. Each rod protects its immediate area and gives you multiple focal strikes. Once done, hook a comparator or redstone dust to the block the rod sits on. Rod strikes emit a short redstone pulse, so you can trigger alarms, dispensers, or item collection. Make sure to place solid non-flammable blocks beneath rods and route wiring safely. This both prevents fire and lets you automate reactions. Finally, use the rod to finish setups. Lure creepers near the rod to create charged creepers, protect wooden structures, or feed lightning-dependent farms. Remember, lightning strikes only occur during thunderstorms and only in the overworld, so make sure you're in the right dimension and the weather permits it. If rods don't seem to attract strikes, raise them higher, add more rods to increase coverage, or clear flammable blocks beneath. These steps solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.